Okay, YouTubers, it's just me again, and I wanted to show you guys a few things today, if I can. This is a single head Nutri-Mist, also called Aero Mist fogger. Or they use them in hydroponics and things like that, and they put out a little bit more than, like, say, the mist makers and things like that. About 300 milliliters an hour vaporized with water. And the way I had to do this, there used to be the sensor right here, and now the leg that was closest to the wire on this model was where the sensor went inside there, and I just kind of cut it off, but accidentally broke the wire out of there, so I had to shove the wire back down in there to make connection or contacts or something. I just shoved it with aluminum foil and then covered it with super glue, and then I covered the whole thing with a piece of diaphragm and super glued all in place. And gasoline doesn't seem to bother super glue, but I'm going to show you that supplying way too much fuel for my little engine, and hopefully there we go. And this little jar right here, it's, yeah, I got a little dirt in there, Dad's fucking dogs in there. This jar is a little over a cup and a half. This room right here. Shut up! Yeah, that'll work. Environmentalists, oh man, they're gonna kick my ass. And I just fill these things just right above the sensor, and I try to make it a small reservoir. I don't know how it'll affect the gas over time, but water vapor does seem to build up inside the, water condenses on the inside of the jar. It depends on the humidity where you're at. I know it does it quite a bit. So, here's the fogger. Hang on. Quit, dog. Okay, I have to get on to the damn dog. And we're going to plug this sucker in. Voila, you can see all the fog coming off of there, and it's kind of splashing over the edges on me, and I don't like that. Use this jar. This little beer, the amount of gas I just put in there, less than a cup. I'm going to have to add more to it. And it doesn't matter if there's dirt in it or anything, it still atomizes. And this little fogger right here, that's Teflon coated. Seems to work real well. So I'm boring y'all. Sorry, guys. Running a little slow this morning. Alright. Got a standard PVC tubing right here leading to the engine. And I'm going to set this to where this will run down inside there. I'm going to have to take it out probably, but yeah. There we go. Shut that one down a little bit. And then, oh. Probably too much. little bit, just a bit. Stuff burns hot. Hold the door open, stop. Well, that's that little thing running on fire. If you notice, it's hard to make it idle or do anything like that. Mainly because it tends to recondense on the inside of this tube, so it sends larger droplets in, and you got to maintain the air-fuel ratio. And but heating this little bugger right here, you know, not very much. It's keeping it room temperature, keeping it from getting too cold. And then the tube, the delivery tube, put something like this closer to the intake, and heat the delivery tube and keep the gasoline from condensing. Get away from here, dog. And that's it on that.